Symmetry, order, and magnitude. Alright folks, let's do this. Lesson 1. Line symmetry. Line symmetry is using a line to cut a 2D shape in half as many times as possible. Taking the shape, you fold it in half as if it was a piece of paper. For example, this shape down here can be cut 1, 2, 3, 4 times, showing that if you cut it down the middle, it'll fold in half that way. Down the corner, you fold it down that way. In the middle, again that way, and that way. So each line shows the line symmetry of the shape. Here are a few practice shapes: a rectangle, a kite, and an octagon. All you're going to do is show all the lines of symmetry on each shape. Pause the video here, and I will be back in a minute to tell you the answers. Here are the answers for the practice problems. For the rectangle, there are 2 lines of symmetry. See the one horizontal, the one vertical, and the one horizontal. Most people might think to do diagonal from corner to corner, from bottom corner to the top corner. But if you were to take the angles and fold this like it was a piece of paper, the angles would not match up because one side is longer than the other side. So the only ones are vertical and horizontal. Now for B, this is a kite, so we only have the vertical line cutting through the top point and the bottom point. Now some people might think, oh, well, because there are 2 points there, you can cut across like that. But if you were to fold it again like a piece of paper, the corners would not match up because the bottom of the kite is a lot smaller than the top angle of the kite. So now we have the octagon for letter C, and what you might assume, hopefully everyone got this right, each side, every side is crossed through, and every angle is crossed through, making it 8 lines of symmetry in total. So A is going to be 2 lines of symmetry, B is going to be 1 line of symmetry, and C is going to be 8 lines of symmetry. I hope you all got that right. Lesson 2. Rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is spinning a 2D shape until it fills the same shape again. There are 2 words to know when dealing with rotational symmetry, which are order and magnitude. Order is the number of times an object spins before it gets back to its genesis. This object has 3 spokes or 3 points, which it takes 1, 2, 3 times to get back to the original spoke or point. That means the order is 3. For magnitude, it's however the angle at which it goes from the first spoke to the second spoke, or the first turn to the second turn. Because there are 3, as a little hint, you do 360 divided by either the amount of sides or the amount of turns. So because there are 3 turns and there are 3 sides, you do 360 divided by 3, which you get 45 degrees. Here are a few practice problems. We've got A, which is a star, and B, which is a diamond. Just fill out the order and magnitude of each image or shape. So pause the video now and complete the problems. So for the answer for letter A, for the star, the order is 5 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So it would take 5 turns to get back to the genesis or the original spot. And then the magnitude, because the order is 5, you would do 360 divided by 5, which after doing that in my head, it comes out to 72 degrees. So the order is 5 and the magnitude is 72. For B, for the diamond, because there are 2 sides, 2 corners, it would do 1, 2, the order is 2. So because the order is 2, you would do 360 divided by 2 to find the magnitude, which is 180, because 360 divided by 2, easy, 180. So the order for this one is 5, the magnitude is 72. Order for B is 2, magnitude of 180. I hope you got all that right. I hope this video helped you learn about line symmetry, rotational symmetry, order, and magnitude. Hope you enjoyed!